Kalbo, anong magandang gawin yun, kakalbo? Ha? Ang magandang gawin ngayon is a plan. My plan is going to construct, but finishing after it finish my thinking about plan. You know? Hoy. Ayan ka naman, kakalbo eh. English ka na naman ng English. Para kang asong ulol. Taul ng tahol. Mali-mali naman. Ooh.
दिन को यहाँ से